Tourister, Best Cryptocurrency Exchanges, a comprehensive guide. Choosing the best cryptocurrency exchange for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Here are some of the most popular and reputable cryptocurrency exchanges available today. Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and advanced trading features. Binance also has a decentralized exchange, DEX, and a peer-to-peer P2P trading platform. Coinbase. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface and focus on security. It supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, but it's a good choice for beginners. Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange with a long history and a strong reputation. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and advanced charting features. Kraken also offers an OTC exchange for large trades. Gemini. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that focuses on security and compliance. It supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, but it's a good choice for institutional investors and professional traders. Bitstamp. Bitstamp is a long-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its high liquidity and reliable execution. It supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, but it's a good choice for experienced traders. These are just a few of the many reputable cryptocurrency exchanges available. Before choosing an exchange, it's important to do your research and make sure you select a platform that meets your needs. Here are some additional tips for choosing the best cryptocurrency exchange. Fees. Pay attention to the fees the exchange charges for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. Supported cryptocurrencies. Make sure the exchange supports the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. Trading features. Consider the trading features the exchange offers, such as advanced orders and charting. Security. Make sure the exchange has strong security measures in place to protect your assets. Reputation. Check user reviews and the overall reputation of the exchange. With a little research, you can find the best cryptocurrency exchange for your needs.